Welcome to SN Auto Luxury, your go-to channel for detailed reviews and insights on the latest and most reliable agricultural machinery. Today, we bring you an in-depth look at Massey Ferguson tractors, known for their durability, performance, and advanced technology. Whether you are a farmer looking for the best equipment for your land or an enthusiast wanting to understand the specifications and features of these tractors, this video will cover everything you need to know. Massey Ferguson has been a trusted name in the agricultural sector for decades. The brand is known for producing high-quality tractors that cater to different farming needs. These tractors are designed with robust engines that provide high efficiency and fuel economy, ensuring that farmers get the best performance without excessive fuel consumption. The advanced transmission systems in these tractors offer smooth gear shifting and better control, making them ideal for various types of farming tasks, from plowing to harvesting. One of the standout features of Massey Ferguson tractors is their ergonomic design. The comfortable seating arrangement, well-placed controls, and spacious operator cabins make them user-friendly and reduce fatigue during long working hours. Many models come with power steering, making maneuverability easier even in tough terrains. Additionally, the tractors are equipped with modern hydraulic systems that enhance lifting capacity and make attachments more effective, providing versatility in different farming operations. The Massey Ferguson lineup includes models that cater to small, medium, and large-scale farming. From compact tractors ideal for small farms to heavy-duty models designed for commercial agriculture, there is a suitable option for everyone. The tractors are built with strong chassis and durable materials, ensuring they withstand harsh weather conditions and rigorous use over time. The engine power ranges from lower horsepower models for light-duty tasks to high-horsepower options for heavy-duty agricultural activities, giving farmers flexibility in choosing the right machine for their specific needs. Another important aspect of Massey Ferguson tractors is their fuel efficiency. These tractors are engineered to consume less fuel while delivering maximum output, helping farmers save on operational costs. Many models also feature emission control technologies, making them environmentally friendly and compliant with modern regulations. The brand continues to innovate by incorporating advanced technologies like GPS guidance systems, automatic transmission, and precision farming tools, which enhance productivity and ease of operation. Safety is a top priority in Massey Ferguson tractors. The brand ensures that each model is equipped with features like rollover protection structures, reliable braking systems, and high-visibility lighting. These safety features provide confidence to operators while working in challenging conditions. Additionally, many models come with digital dashboards that display important information like fuel levels, engine temperature, and maintenance alerts, allowing farmers to keep track of their tractor's performance in real time. Maintenance and servicing of Massey Ferguson tractors are also made easy with their well-designed service points and availability of spare parts. The brand has a strong dealer network, ensuring that farmers can access genuine parts and professional servicing whenever needed. This reliability and ease of maintenance make these tractors a long-term investment for those in the agricultural sector. Choosing the right Massey Ferguson tractor depends on various factors such as the size of the farm, type of soil, and specific farming requirements. It is always recommended to analyze your needs before making a purchase to ensure that you get the most suitable model for your agricultural operations. Massey Ferguson tractors are known for their high resale value, making them a wise choice for farmers who may want to upgrade in the future. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into Massey Ferguson tractors, their specifications, and their features. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and share it with others who might be interested. For more detailed reviews and expert opinions on the latest agricultural machinery and luxury vehicles, subscribe to SN Auto Luxury and stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.